no matter what we price these Cokes at. So we think we're going to sell 125,000 of these Cokes at $3. So maybe we should get a little greedier here. What if we increase the price to $4? Well, we still think we can sell 90,000 of these. And should we just keep it at $2.50? I mean, we sold 150,000 last year. So which of these three options should we pursue? And we're interested here in maximizing our revenue. So we can look at each price and each quantity demanded, simply multiply those, and come up with our total revenue. And now we have a scenario where at two price points, $2.50 and $3, total revenue is equivalent. According to this class, we would be indifferent about pricing at $2.50 or $3 because it generates the same revenue. Now in the real world, of course, there'll be other factors like costs, economies of scale, and so forth involved. But in this class, we're going to price at the level that maximizes total revenue. So we'll keep it at $2.50, we'll raise it to $3, it really doesn't matter to us. And if we were looking at calculating the elasticity coefficients for this problem, we could look at the elasticity coefficient between price 1, $2.50, and price 2, which is $3. Here is the elasticity coefficient being calculated. We look at the difference in price, $3 versus $2.50, divided by the average price. We look at the two quantities demanded at $2.50 and $3, divided by the average. And we come up with an elasticity coefficient of 1, which is that special case where we have unitary elasticity. We are indifferent. $2.50 or $3, it doesn't matter. But when we compare $2.50 to $4, price 1, $2.50, price 3, $4, the elasticity coefficient is greater than 1, which means that the market is elastic. We increase the price, total revenue falls. In fact, it was at $375,000. It falls to $360,000. We're not interested in seeing it fall. We would not increase the price from $2.50 to $4. So we have the difference in price divided by the average price with difference in quantity demanded divided by the average quantity demanded. So those are all in your notes. That's in your PowerPoint labeled Making Money. Make sure that you understand how to determine the stock turn rate, how to calculate the cost of goods sold, how to calculate the average inventory cost, understand the relationship between net sales, gross margin, and cost of goods sold. Moving on to competitive bidding, understand that in the real world, the most difficult part of that is to come up with the probabilities of winning at a certain price. You don't have to worry about that. But you do have to worry about determining the gain or loss given a certain price. You have to worry about determining the long-run average expected profit. And of course, if your goal is to maximize market share or to keep your employees working, you simply select the price that has the highest probability of success. Then finally, with price elasticity, we're interested in maximizing total revenue in those problems, and you use the elasticity coefficient formula, or you look at total revenue directly, price times quantity, to come up with your answer. So good luck, take a look at the slides, and our next lecture will be on something else. Thank you.